Welcome to our channel where we explore the wonders of natural remedies and superfoods. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of ginger and uncovering the top 5 health benefits that this humble root has to offer. Ginger has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its powerful healing properties, and in this video, we'll be shedding light on just how beneficial it can be for your overall well-being. From soothing digestive issues to boosting immunity, ginger is a versatile ingredient that can work wonders for your health. So, if you're curious to learn more about the amazing benefits of ginger and how it can enhance your daily life, then you're in the right place. Let's get started. Number 5. Antioxidant Effects. Ginger, due to its potent antioxidants, particularly gingerol, help combat oxidative stress and protect cells from free radicals. While it may not have the highest antioxidant levels compared to other superfoods, its unique blend offers significant benefits. Number 4. Nausea Relief. Ginger is renowned for its ability to ease nausea by relaxing gastrointestinal muscles, aiding digestion and providing relief from motion sickness, morning sickness, and general nausea. While its effects may not be as rapid or potent as higher-ranked remedies, ginger's natural approach and minimal side effects make it a preferred choice for holistic relief. Whether consumed in food or as ginger tea, it effectively alleviates nausea and supports digestive comfort. Stay tuned as we unveil the top 3 ginger health benefits that you won't want to miss. Your Karma, Your Health. Before moving on, get to know our channel. Your Karma, Your Health is intended for sharing with y'all the most simplest yet effective ways you can use to take control of your health and your life. Ancient medicine practices which are thousands of years old have imparted us great knowledge free of any propaganda engines. If you do good to your body will do good to you. Next time before you put something inside your body, ask yourself, what does your gut tell you? This channel is neither an anti-vaxxer propaganda campaign nor is it providing healthcare advice for patients, since it bears no liability for your reliance on the information contained here. But plain and simple, it says you need to understand what you ingest. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Alright, now let's get back to our video. Number 3. Immune Booster. This versatile root contains a variety of compounds that can help strengthen the immune system and ward off illnesses. Ginger is rich in antioxidants, such as gingerol, which have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects that support overall immune function. By reducing inflammation and fighting off harmful bacteria, ginger can help your body better defend itself against infections and diseases. Incorporating ginger into your diet regularly can help support your body's natural defenses and keep you feeling healthy and strong. Number 2. Digestive Aid. This remarkable root has long been celebrated for its ability to promote healthy digestion and alleviate various digestive issues. Ginger contains compounds like gingerol and shigaols that help stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, aiding in the breakdown of food and easing gastrointestinal discomfort. Whether you're dealing with indigestion, bloating, or stomach cramps, ginger can offer relief and support optimal digestive function. Incorporating ginger into your meals or enjoying ginger tea can help soothe digestive woes and keep your gut happy and balanced. Stay tuned as we unveil the number 1 ginger health benefit that will truly impress you. Number 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger's exceptional anti-inflammatory properties claim the top spot on our list of ginger health benefits. This potent root contains bioactive compounds like gingerol and paradol, which have been shown to possess strong anti-inflammatory effects. By reducing inflammation in the body, ginger can help alleviate pain, swelling, and discomfort associated with conditions like arthritis, muscle soreness, and inflammatory diseases. Incorporating ginger into your daily routine, whether through cooking, teas, or supplements, can help support a healthy inflammatory response and promote better overall well-being. If you stayed with us all the way, we have uncovered the top 5 incredible health benefits of ginger, showcasing its versatility and effectiveness as a natural remedy. From its anti-inflammatory properties to its digestive aid benefits, ginger has proven itself to be a powerhouse root with a wide range of therapeutic effects. Ranking at number 1 for its remarkable anti-inflammatory properties, Ginger stands out as a must-have ingredient for promoting overall well-being. As you explore the world of natural remedies and superfoods, we encourage you to delve deeper into the benefits of ginger and how it can enhance your health. Whether you incorporate ginger into your cooking, enjoy it in teas, or explore ginger supplements, the possibilities are endless for reaping its many rewards. Remember, nature has provided us with an abundance of healing ingredients, and ginger is undoubtedly one of the stars. So, embrace the power of ginger and let its health-boosting properties transform your life. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey.